Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So today I'm telling about you bathroom ideas. I'll give you a beautiful and amazing ideas about bathroom. So certainly, decorating the bathroom can transform it into a more inviting and stylish space. Here are some bathroom decor ideas to inspire you. Number one is choose a calming color palette that suits your style. Soft neutral, cool blue, or earthy tones can create a scenario atmosphere. Statement mirror. OPT for a decorative and uniquely shaped mirror as a focal point, it can add both functionality and style to your bathroom. Artwork or prints. Hang artwork or framed prints on the walls to bring in visual interest and a personal touch. Floating shelves. Install floating shelves to display decorative items like plants, candles, and small sculptures. This add both storage and decor. Greenery. Incorporate indoor plants to bring a touch of nature into bathroom. Plants like succulent or air plants are low maintenance option. Storage solution. Use stylish baskets, jar, or trays to organize toiletries and keep the skip space culture free. Texture essence. Add texture through items like woven basket, texture towel, or shaggy rug for a cozy feel. Unique lighting. Choose statement lighting features like pendant lights or vintage to add character to the space. Luxurious touches. Introduce luxurious elements like a plush bath mat, candles, and high quality hand soap. Vintage charm. Incorporate vintage items like a coffee bathtub, antique mirror, or retro vanity to infuse character. So, minimalist elegance. Keep it simple with minimalist decor, focusing on a slack lines to monochromatic plates and clutter-free surfaces. SP retreat. Create a SP-like atmosphere with calming colors, soft towels, bath salt, and soothing scents. In